Trading Bitcoin futures and other futures markets? With BingX Futures Grid, you can turn volatility into profit 24/7. It uses a bot to automate buying and selling within a preset price range and supports both long and short trades. Futures Grid supports 3 trading directions. Neutral is best for sideways markets. No initial position is taken. Below the trigger price, the bot opens long positions and closes them as the price rises. Above the trigger price, the bot opens short positions and closes them as the price drops. Long is ideal for upward trends. Long positions are opened initially. As the price rises, the corresponding long positions are closed. The bot continues to open and close long positions to capture more gains. Short is perfect for downward trends. Short positions are opened initially. As the price falls, the corresponding short positions are closed. The bot continues to open and close short positions. Open the BingX app and select Bots. Then Futures Grid. Choose a trading pair. Select a direction, neutral, long, or short. Use Auto to let the system suggest parameters. Or choose Manual to customize settings. Set your leverage and investment amount. Tap Create. You can also add a stop loss to limit risk. It's easy to use, even for beginners. By following a preset strategy, it helps you avoid emotional trading. Plus, it offers leverage options and works in any market conditions. Automate your Bitcoin futures trades and more with BingX Futures Grid today.